Masakit po sa aming mga taga-BARM ang nangyari. Yung father, yung tao po na nagbigay sa amin ng totoong otonomiya ay nasa ibang bansa. Kinidnap siya, dinala siya sa Dahig. Ngayon, wala kang makitang BARM leader, Bangsamoro leader na nakaupo na nagsasabing pauwiin si Tatay Digong. Masaya po kami, nakita ko yung mga kasamaan nating mga Maranao, mga Sama, mga Tausug, mga Maguindanao, at may mga Iranon na nandito ngayon. Sila po yung tunay na mga Bangsamoro, mga kapatid nating mga MNLF at MILF. Ngayon, hindi lang sila nakapagsalita openly, but somehow, alam po natin na ang gusto nila ay Marcos resign. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Una sa lahat, hirap pong sundan yung mga speeches kanina. Bigat at malalakas po yung mga boses nila. Ako po si Mus Pidasan, Director sa Islam Institute sa Ateneo de Davao University. Dati po akong member of the Parliament of the Bangsamoro Transition Authority. Dati din po akong commissioner. Kami po yung gumawa ng Bangsamoro Basic Law na naging Bangsamoro Organic Law na bumuo ng BARM, Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Masakit po sa aming mga taga-BARM ang nangyari. Yung father, yung tao po na nagbigay sa amin ng totoong otonomiya ay nasa ibang bansa. Kinidnap siya, dinala siya sa Dahig. Ngayon, wala kang makitang BARM leader, Bangsamoro leader na nakaupo na nagsasabing pauwiin si Tatay Digong. Masaya po kami, nakita ko yung mga kasamaan nating mga Maranao, mga Sama, mga Tausug, mga Maguindanao, at may mga Iranon na nandito ngayon. Sila po yung tunay na mga Bangsamoro, mga kapatid nating mga MNLF at MILF. Ngayon, hindi lang sila nakapagsalita openly, but somehow, alam po natin na ang gusto nila ay Marcos resign. So, para po hindi mawala yung thoughts ng aking mensahe, babasahin ko lang po muna itong ginawa naming maliit na message from the Muslim Filipinos and the residents of the Bangsamoro. So on behalf of Muslim Filipinos and the Bangsamoro people, we stand in firm solidarity with the Save the Philippines coalition. For decades, we in Mindanao have known the bitter taste of injustice, the pain of stolen sovereignty, and the struggle for our right to self-determination against a system that has often marginalized us. We recognize the same patterns of abuse, deception, and impunity now gripping the entire nation under the leadership of President Bongbong Marcos Jr. While I was listening to Attorney Vic Rodriguez, naalala ko po ang 2022 different parallel groups, we carried the banner of the unity for Marcos Jr. and Sara Duterte across every island of the nation. Like you, we believe in the cause. We were the foot soldiers of the unity team, fueled by a shared vision. But just months after their victory, we discovered a painful truth. What Attorney Vic Rodriguez shared this afternoon ay hindi po pang politika lamang. This is the sad reality. We are made to drink the poison of the corrupt administration of Bongbong Marcos. We need to remove this poison in our system. What we discussed this afternoon until this evening can no longer be ignored by the Filipino people, can no longer be ignored by the men in uniform, the PNP and the AFP. We can no longer ignore this. Again, this is not merely a political crisis. It is a moral collapse that deepens the suffering of all Filipinos. Nakita na po natin sa bagyo, sa lindol, ano ang nangyari sa ating mga kababayan. But we in Mindanao, we have endured enough. We stood against all odds. Our struggle for justice and self-determination has taught us that silence in the face of tyranny is not an option. Therefore, our call is clear and demands immediate action. We join the unequivocal demand for the resignation of Bongbong Marcos Jr. and the constitutional succession to proceed without delay. This is the necessary first step to reset our nation's path. We must save the Philippines. We must bravely stand together. Learn from our shared histories as Filipinos, as Bangsamoro. We must relentlessly pursue this basis of unity for a future where justice, freedom, and genuine autonomy for our people are not just our dream, but our reality. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Bangsamoro for Free Philippines.
Our leaders, partners, advocates, and fellow Filipinos united by one great cause to save the Philippines. Today marks a historic beginning. We come together not out of convenience, but out of conviction. We gather here because we can no longer stand idly while our nation continues to slide into moral decay, political chaos, economic hardship, and the betrayal of public trust. We gather because the future of our children, our communities, and our country depends on what we do. The Save the Philippines Coalition is not just another organization. It is a voluntary movement of citizens who refuse to surrender hope. It is an alliance of patriots from diverse sectors and backgrounds, united by one purpose: to restore integrity in leadership, accountability in governance, and dignity to the Filipino people. We heed the call of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, a call to action, to courage, and to patriotism, to save the Republic. And in responding, we affirm that saving the Philippines means demanding change at the highest levels of power. It means confronting the failures and abuses that plague our government and standing firm for what the Constitution demands: rightful succession and responsible leadership. As we launch this movement today, we also launch a renewed spirit of unity and purpose. Let this assembly be the starting point of a nationwide awakening, where citizens no longer remain silent, but speak, act, and stand together for truth, reform, and justice. To all those who come from near and far, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, welcome. Thank you for choosing courage over comfort and patriotism over apathy. Your presence proves that the Filipino spirit, no matter how challenged, will never yield to tyranny and corruption. Together, let us declare with strength and faith, we will save the Philippines. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Mabuhay ang ating bayan. Welcome to this new and momentous chapter in the history of the Filipino people. God save the Philippines.